ब्रह्मनाथ ओम ओम शांति शांति शांति. Good morning students and welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry. Okay, in this lecture I want to work out some problems. All the theory portions are completed, formulas are completed, okay, and you by heart all the formulas. Without knowing the formula you cannot solve the problems of trigonometry. So in trigonometry the formulas are very important to solve the problems. Okay, so before going to this session I want to recall you some formula. What is sine 2a? What is sine 2a? Sine 2a, the answer is 2 sin a into cos a. And another formula sine 2a is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. What is cos 2a? There are 4 formulae. Number 1 is cos square a minus sin square a. Number 2 is 2 cos square minus 1. Number 3 is 1 minus 2 sin square. Number 4 is 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Clear? What is tan 2a? Tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Single formula. Similarly, cot 2a. Cot 2a is equal to cot square a minus 1 divided by cot 2 cot a. Okay. And sin 3a formula, cos 3a formula, tan 3a formula. These are many formulae in compound angle, multiple angle and submultiple angle. So please by heart all the formulae. Okay. Now let's start some problems of trigonometric formula based on multiple angle, compound angle, multiple angle, submultiple angle. Okay. Now let's start the problems. This is prove that. Question number 1. Prove that cot a minus tan a, cot a minus tan a divided by cot a plus tan a is equal to what? Is equal to cos 2a. Is equal to cos 2a. So left hand side is cot a minus tan a divided by cot a plus tan a. This can be proved by converting tan and cos in terms of sin and cos, or we can convert cot into tan. So what is cot a? Cot a means what? 1 by tan a. So put cot is equal to 1 by tan a minus tan a divided by 1 by tan a plus tan a. Okay. What is formula here? LCM 1 minus tan square a by tan a whole divided by 1 plus tan square a by tan a. Okay. So LCM tan a goes cancel. What is here? This is 1 plus tan square a, right? 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay. What is here? This is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a This is formula for which trigonometric function? This is formula for cos 2a. So what is right hand side? Cos 2a. So this is cos 2a. Hence proved. This is cos 2a. Right? This is cos 2a. RHS. So first question is proved. Then another question. Prove that cos a minus sin a divided by cos a plus sin a is equal to sec 2a minus tan 2a. So left hand side cos a minus sin a divided by cos a plus sin a. So multiply this, rationalize. This is cos a minus sin a divided by cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin a multiplied numerator and denominator by cos a minus sin a. This is cos a minus sin a. Okay. Cos a minus sin a into cos a minus sin a. Cos a minus sin a whole square. This is cos a minus sin a whole square divided by what? This is cos square a minus sin square a. So a minus b whole square, what is here? Cos square a plus sin square a minus 2 cos a into sin a. 2 cos a into sin a divided by cos square a minus sin square. Which formula? Cos square a minus sin square a. This is cos 2a. So cos square a plus sin square a means 1. 2 cos a into sin a means sin 2a. Okay. By cos 2a. So separate this. This is 1 by cos 2a and this is sin 2a by cos 2a. Okay. 1 by cos means what? Separate this. 1 by cos 2a means sec 2a, sin 2a by cos 2a means tan 2a. Okay, this is right hand side proved. Sec 2a minus tan 2a, which is equal to right hand side. This is 1, so we can write here cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2. In 1 equal to cos square by 2, sin square by 2, we can write. So this is what? Sin a means 2 cos a by 2 into sin a by 2. This is formula for sin a whole divided by same thing right here, cos square a by 2, but sin is here plus sin square a by 2 minus here plus 2 cos a by 2 into what? Sin a by 2 root over. What is this? This is equal to cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 whole square divided by cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 root over. This is equal to this square here. So cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 whole divided by cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2. Okay. And this is equal to what? Divide numerator and denominator by cos a by 2. Okay, because the answer is 10. So divide cos a by 2. Cos a by 2 by cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 divided by what? Cos a by 2 whole divided by cos a by 2 by cos a by 2. Okay, plus sin A by 2 divided by cos A by 2. So what is your answer? This is 1 minus tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan A by 2. This formula is for tan 45 plus A by 2. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what? 10. This is equal to 10. 45 means pi by 4 plus A by, this is minus A by 2. This is minus A by 2. Minus A by 2. So the question is, make correction, the question is here. This is, what is question? The question is 10 pi by 4 minus A by 2. Clear? The correct question is 10 pi by 4 minus A by 2. The correct question. This is minus sign. Okay. So minus sign. So which is equal to what? RHS. Clear? And another question. Now another question. If tan theta equal to B by A, find the value of A cos 2 theta, B sin 2 theta. Solution. Given tan theta is equal to B by A, then A cos 2 theta plus B sin 2 theta. I mean cos 2 theta in terms of tan theta लिखे हुए it is sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta लिखे हुए. तो formula कौन सी? A 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus B sin 2 theta formula 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? And this is equal to A 1 minus value of tan theta B by A. So B square by A square divided by 1 plus B square by A square. B into 2 B by A divided by 1 plus B square by A square. B square by A square. So this will be what? This will be this is equal to A, here A square minus B square by what? A square by A square plus B square by A square. So A square was cancelled. This is plus here 2B square. 2B square by A whole divided by A square plus B square by A square. So 1 A cancel. So what is here now? Now this is equal to and come to this portion, A into A square minus B square by A square plus B square plus 2B square into A by A square plus B square. Clear? And this is equal to what? This is equal to common A by A square plus B square common. So here A square minus B square plus 2B square. So this is equal to A by A square plus B square. Here A square minus B square plus 2B square. So this is B square. So this was cancelled. So final answer is A. This is answer. Value of A cos 2 theta and A plus B cos 2. Okay. This is the answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.